another video tutorial of ACES Tutorials. In my last video, I have discussed about the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. In this video, I will discuss about the endomembrane system. So let's start. So now I will discuss about the endomembrane system. This endomembrane system means the system in which some membrane bound organisms functions together. In cell, this endomembrane system includes endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome and vacuoles. At first I will discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. So in this endoplasmic reticulum, it has two compartments. One is luminar compartments, another is extraluminar compartment. The luminar compartment, it is the internal space enclosed by endoplasmic reticulum or enclosed by endoplasmic reticulum membrane, and extraluminar compartment means the space present outside of air membrane. In case of endoplasmic reticulum, it is divided into two classes, or you can say that two types of endoplasmic reticulums are there. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, another one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. In case of rough endoplasmic reticulum, it has the ribosomes present outside the surface of this endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes are present, these are the small dots or small dot-like structures present outside this endoplasmic reticulum. In this diagram, you can look see that the ribosomes are there, and it makes this surface rough. So it's known as rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER. And in case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the outer surface of endoplasmic reticulum does not contain any ribosome. So it looks smooth in surface. The surface of it looks smooth. So it's known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to produce lipid and steroids. The second function is that it helps in detoxification of drugs. And third function is that it produces the Ca2+. It helps in muscle contraction with the help of Ca2+ ion uptake or release. That means it helps in release or uptake of Ca2+ ion, which is helpful or which is useful for muscle contraction. We will discuss about that in another chapter of human physiology. We will discuss about that later. Then I will discuss about the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has the ribosomes on the outer surface of it. So it contains ribosome. It helps in synthesizing proteins. It's the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now I will discuss about the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. This Golgi body is first discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. These are the reticulate structure near the nucleus. You can see that the reticulate structure, first nucleus. In this diagram, I am referring that diagram, so that the nucleus, then the endoplasmic reticulum. After that, we have Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus found beside the endoplasmic reticulum. This Golgi apparatus has four parts. One is cisternae, second one is tubules, third one is vesicles, and fourth one is Golgian vacuoles. So at first I will discuss about the cisternae. So cisternae is a concentrically arranged structure of the nucleus with distinct convex end known as cis end and the trans or maturing end. Then we will discuss about tubules. Tubules are the small flat interconnected structure between those cisternaes. These tubules help in conduction of different proteins inside this Golgi apparatus. Then I will discuss about that vesicle. In this diagram, look at this. The vesicles are fused with the membrane of Golgi apparatus or you can say that the 6 phases of Golgi apparatus. These are known as vesicle. These are usually released the proteins, or some proteins are fused with this with the help of this Golgi apparatus, and some discharge vesicles are there which is helpful for that. So now we will proceed again this Golgi cisternae, tubules, vesicle. Now I will discuss about the function of Golgi bodies. The Golgi bodies cannot function as a unit. It functions with nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum. The nucleus, what did that nucleus? This nucleus actually produce some mRNA by transcription, and this mRNA produces ribosomes. These ribosomes are transported out of this nucleus by nuclear pore complexes or the pores present the membrane of that nucleus, and then these ribosomes are attached with endoplasmic reticulum, the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, that is well known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and synthesizes proteins. These proteins are usually polypeptide chains. These polypeptide chains usually enters inside the luminar compartment of endoplasmic reticulum, and it folded inside that, and these folded proteins are released out from the endoplasmic reticulum in the form of a vesicles, and these vesicles are fused with the Golgi body, and this Golgi body transport it, and it defines and it act as a post office. You can say that it act as a post office, and it shows a different parts of the cell. Now I will discuss about the next organelle of this endomembrane system, that is lysosome. These lysosomes are vesicular structure formed from Golgi apparatus. These vesicular structures are known as lysosome because it contains some enzymes containing acidic pH, or some hydrolytic enzymes are there that helps in the digestion of whole cell. So it is known as suicidal bag, because this lysosome get blasts and release that enzymes that can cause the digestion of whole cells. These enzymes are capable to digestion of carbohydrate, protein and lipids inside the cell. Now I will discuss about the next organelle, that is the vacuole. The vacuoles are large space found inside the cell. In case of animal cells, these vacuoles are smaller in size. In case of plant cells, these vacuoles are larger in size. This vacuole is covered by a membrane known as tonoplast membrane. It's a very important question, remember it. Then you can say that the plant cells, the tonoplast facilitates the transport of ions inside that vacuole, and the concentration, usually these ions are entering inside the vacuole at the cause of concentration gradient. So thanks for watching my video till end. If you like this video, then like it, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos like this, and press on the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thank you.